So, with this coronavirus, this COVID-19 business, it's been harder for us to do the things we like. For me, that thing is specific, it is finite, it is cream salad. For those that don't know, a cream salad is when you put romaine lettuce in some cream and eat it. But all the stores had was soy milk and spinach, baby spinach. Yeah, and sit down now, gumbo. And the thing is, I don't like spinach. It tastes like sand on the bristle tips of a cat tongue. Gumbo here, he likes it just fine, don't you, Gumbo? Don't you, Gumbo? So I've been feeding it to him. Damn, Gumbo, you a feisty little bitch, ain't you? Well, look at this shit. I've been having to eat this shit like a goddamn buffoon. So we gonna give it to him. We gonna give this shitty little dish to the dogs like a hush puppy. Here, Bo. Here, Gumbo. Eat from the bowl. Eat from the bowl, you buffoon. You don't want to eat from the table. That's what people eat. But we got some soy milk and spinach in there. He going to town. Look at this crazy. Look at this bastard go. I ain't gonna worry about getting that romaine lettuce cream yet.